seems to be grumpy today. Kenny was a tiny bit grumpy when he left. And now all I've heard is the girls screaming. Bella was crying because she couldn't find her Switch. And it's great start. I guess the trees are coming down tonight, which is a good thing. That'll be fun to watch. Time to start the day, I guess. Parade. You guys are here. And a girl, I guess. Pretty cool. And they're gonna start taking our trees down. So, I'm excited. Very excited. Looks like they got ropes and everything coming out. Crazy. My anxiety level's pretty high today. So, I'm trying to chill out. Oh, are you watching? You watching the trees start to come down?
Yeah, which one is it?
Both of these are coming down. This one and this one.
Is Matt up there?
Yep, that's Matt. He's cutting it. Yep, that's who I went to high school with. I went to school with him. We rode on the same bus.
Jacket?
Yeah, that's Matt.
I want to go outside there.
No, we can't go outside.
Why?
Because it's a little dangerous right now.
Why?
Because it is.
Tell me why.
Because it is.
Is it because they're walking down teeth?
Yes.
Okay. No, wait,
No, we're not open. And when we go to leave, I'll open it and say, hey, we got to leave real quick. And we'll let them know. It'll be fine. But yeah, pretty cool, huh? What they're doing?
Mom.
Hmm.
Before you say, hey, we got to leave real quick, I'm going to say hi to him and tell him my name. Okay?
He won't be able to hear you, but you can say hi. Ooh, there goes a big branch. Did you see that?
Where?
It fell right behind you. Watch, you'll see other branches fall too. He throws them in certain spots. See, one just hit the porch. It was just a teeny tiny one though. She's obsessed with watching them.
Why are they working with a hat?
Why are they working with a hat? Just in case they have to wear hard hats, just in case a branch falls and hits one of them in the head. It'll protect their noggin so that they don't get a really bad concussion. That'll really hurt them. Concussions are no joke, so you gotta be safe. That's why they all have hats on.
Wait.
What?
Is that why you can't go outside?
Yeah. One tree is almost gone already. Wow. Wow, look at all that tree. Crazy. Oh, good, he didn't hit the neighbors' things. Look. Right here, look, see? Look at it's short. This one right here.
Oh.
Do you see it yet? All the branches are off. He cut it all off. Wow, he went, oh, he sent it that way. Crazy.
Look at the other tree. Look at the tree I'm
It's going to be so much brighter now on this.
Mommy, look at the tree I'm looking at.
I know he hasn't cut that one as much.
Yeah,
what kind of does it?
Is it going to fall that way?
He's cutting it to the level Daddy wants him to. Look at, see what he did? He made a big wedge.
A big red, now he's doing the other side.
So now he's gonna cut it. He's figuring out which way he wants the tree to fall. So he's checking what he did, seeing where it's gonna land. Now watch.
you gonna kick me run somewhere else?
No, he'll be fine. Watch. He knows exactly where that tree's going. Oh, there it goes. See? See it's moving?
It's moving
Slowly. And it's down. Yay! One tree is down. Now he's cleaning up his work. That's so cool. I'm showered, ready for my doctor's appointment. I'm gonna dry my hair most of the way.
What would you like for food, Mama?
Nothing. I'm not hungry. Thank you.
What?
Your mom.
My mom.
There's a branch. Okay, you can't really see. Wait.
Is big? What
There's a branch being slowly
What
lowered
branch?
down.
What branch? In down.
I'm uncomfortable. I'm starting to get nauseous.
Did you say math up and down?
Ready? He doesn't want anybody to get hurt.
Yeah. You don't want that to
It's gonna go soon. We're almost there.
See that looking at them.
Ooh, it's starting a little bit.
Now he's either gonna do
Oh,
boom.
no.
What? The neighbor will have trouble over there, I think.
Is he talking to the neighbor?
The neighbor still have trouble over there. That did nothing, I think.
Yeah, everybody's got snow melting.
Except for us. Kind of.
Everybody's saying? Careful, baby. Alright.
Why did you say
I didn't say he said stop.
Why did you say to me when you opened the door? Why?
I don't remember why. Dude, you're so dangerous.
Why did you tell January?
Because he ran in front of it.
You ran in front of it?
Yeah. Oh, there it goes! There it goes! Oh, shit! Oh! Look at how it split after it fell. Oh, my Lord. Crazy. All right. Met my appointment. We'll see how this goes. Look at my room. All the old pictures and stuff. Kind of cool. Fun stuff.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 11.
11?
Bella! Maybe use the bathroom. Cut off the game. Don't go tell Tristan.
Just
Tristan,
do
the
it.
game's off right now.
It's fine. He'll stay hidden. He'll be fine. He hides for 20 minutes at a time.
You good back there?
I used to have the best hiding places.
Tristan,
We'd play
sometimes
outside.
you can't find him at all.
Really?
Oh yeah.
No.
But Tristan might be in there.
He's not.
Sorry.
Real? Oh. There he is! Found you! Found you! Your mom donuts. Yeah.
They ratted you out.
I'm not helping you on no more.
No!
Where is he?
She told
Oh, there he is.
us to look over here and then we found you that way. Okay.
Like a 68 or 64 or something. This thing was beautiful on the outside. The inside, the seats were like reclined and they didn't go up. So I hated the car. Because I'd get in the car and I'd be laying like,
All right, so we're home. Lots of crazy things happened. The tree dropped. I took some video at the doctor and at Grandpa's house with the kids. Something cracked my windshield. So our tree guy's gonna have to use his insurance for that.
His name is Matt.
So hopefully we take care of that sooner than later, because pretty bad. Yeah, sure. But it's late, so Kenny went and got. Let it close on its own.
Okay.
Kenny went and got food. They're about to come in.
Stay.
Yeah, been a crazy day. Can you not? Really? Why are you talking like a baby? I think she's tired. You need a bath before bed.
A bat? Did you say bat?
Yeah.
Did you say bat or
Yes,
tower?
I did.
Did you say bat or
Gosh.
Did you say bat or tower?
Bath. Where are they?
Bat!
Gosh, I need to eat. My doctor prescribed me some pills for my nausea. Thank the Lord. You okay? Auntie Bianca said bye to the baby. She rubbed my belly and said, bye, baby.
Auntie Bianca did?
Yeah, isn't that funny? Nope, I was looking at the man's glitter sawdust. Crazy, right? What you think, Daddy?
I like it.
It's more open over there.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Great news is now the sun can start killing the moss on the roof.
Yay!